This is a demo of my working MIDI foot controller. I'm sure I'll tweak it as time goes on, but for right now it seems to be stable and working really well. There really wasn't any of these on the market that I liked. There were some that did very similar functions but in the wrong kind of physical format. I wanted something that was as wide as my HD 500 and that would nest kind of right below it to make a very natural kind of foot flow. So I designed it in Google SketchUp and then just kind of made it physically myself. So here's how I have it rigged right now. I've got play and stop. Then I use the bottom 6 buttons for song number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next and previous, and then just 3 extra buttons for other purposes. And then I have the LCD to give me kind of a readout of what is currently on right now. So if I press the first one, I can, in the Arduino coding, change that just to say song 1, or I can actually give it the title for the morning. So Worship the King, Praise is Rising, The Lord Our God, and A, Mighty to Save, and then these are not programmed because we're only doing 4 songs that day. And then, so if I press the first button and then I press play, it fires it off. If I go to the second button, it'll go straight to Praise is Rising, which isn't there yet, so it's coming on its way. Then I also am going to try something a little different. I doubt I'll keep it, but I have a MIDI file right here, just playing kind of a pad in A, just to kind of cover over any prayer moments or whatnot. So it seems to work very, very well. Let me show you the physical construction of it. So I just made this out of Luan plywood, and I can make those Google SketchUp files available. And then I got these momentary switches from eBay, from a guy whose handle I can't say because it's not appropriate for young ears. But and then I just used Cat 5 cable. I used the twisted pair off with Cat 5 cable. It's very low voltage running through these lines. It should just be 3 volts. So I'm running this all through a teensy microcontroller, and I just tie the common grounds together, and then each of the signal leads go into the corresponding pin that has to do with the programming itself. And then the LCD is a serial LCD from SparkFun, and the good thing about that is it only uses one signal wire as opposed to a bunch of parallel wires, so that worked out really well. It was pretty easy to program. The hardest part really was getting both the MIDI functionality with the serial functionality working, because I'm a guitar player. I'm not real great with programming, but it was a good learning process. I'm sure I'll tweak some things in the future. I'm considering adding some LED feedback, maybe one on top of each button, just to again confirm what's being fired off at that time. So that's my MIDI Dominator.